Let's go ahead and turn up the modulation on this great little Cobra 18WX ST2 CB radio. This is a perfect, cheap, one-DIN CB radio for just about any automobile. It's got that front-facing speaker, the front-facing microphone port, and it clocks in at under 20 bucks. Taking a look at the back, you can see the serial number's a little scratched off, but I swear that's from wear and tear, I promise. And it's got a port for an external speaker, which comes in very handy. Let's get this thing apart. So to legally turn up the modulation on one of these radios, what you're looking for is this potentiometer right here. Now keep in mind we're looking at the inside of the CB radio from the bottom up, and this is the back. Here's a close-up. Just take a screwdriver, just like here, slip it into the slot on the potentiometer, and crank it all the way up counterclockwise. Just like that, you're done. Modulation maxed out. So what you've done here is you've probably taken your modulation and turned it from a 5 up to about a 19 or 20. And that's about as much legally as you're going to want to do with one of these. I'm certainly not going to recommend that you tamper with anything else. That'll be up to you if you want to decide to do that. But hey, there we go. Great little CB radio. These things are coming back in style. This is the perfect size, perfect configuration, front speaker, whole 9 yards. Great little device. Let's put her back together. So you saw that last screen, thumbs up, Instagram, all that, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.